Morning, folks. Bob Cummins here at the Geary Farm. Nice sunny day this morning. However, last night it was not. We had quite the windstorm come through. I got a call while I was at work last night saying that this top had been removed by good old Mother Nature. This morning here, the wife and the daughter managed to find the top. This morning here, we are going to get it out and see if there's anything left of it. Maybe get it repaired. We're going to take some measurements on this frame and see if maybe we can get a new one ordered. It's amazing that that little tent held tight. The frame's still good on this. That wind that came through last night must have been pretty serious. It pulled T-posts out of the ground. And if you know anything about T-posts or ever worked with them, they do not come out easily. So there must have been a ton of force applied in order for that to happen. And that would explain why this top left us. Alright, I'm going to grab this top and see if there's anything left of it. Okay, after looking at this top, the good news is we are going to be able to fix it. It just ripped out every single grommet on it, so we'll have to replace all those. We're going to pull some measurements and see about getting a new one ordered as well. But we'll fix this one in the meantime, I guess. Alrighty guys, came today. This is the Hapton Grommet Toolkit. Another great Amazon find. I gave a little less than 40 bucks for this. It's been worth every penny here today. I've already put probably 50, 60 grommets in with it. This is what it looks like. Pretty simple device. It's magnetic. So you just take one piece of your grommet, put it in there, it holds it, and you can flip it over, take your other little ring, there, just put your material in between there, give her a squeeze, you're done. I'm super happy with it. Let me show you how it works on the tarp. Hopefully you guys can see this all right. Here's the tool. Put one of the pieces in the bottom. One on the top, like I said, it's magnetic, so it holds in there good and tight. Just put your material in between it. Give her a squeeze. Done, just like that. Man, is that nice. All right, gang, we got the grommets all put back in this top. We're gonna get it cleaned up for the evening. We're gonna get this top put on tomorrow, hopefully along with the sides. We are about 14 days away from the event, and we have a lot to do yet. guys wondering if that was as frustrating as it looked, it was worse. Alright, we got that roof repaired the best we can. As you can see, we got the sides on now. That'll about do it for this video. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. This following week, we will start moving things in down here and continue getting ready for the Easter event. Thanks for watching.